Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create a Gmail account without a phone number. So first of all, click on create account. For my personal use, click on it. For example, let's put Alex and then for example, Michael. Then click next. After that, put the date of birth. For example, 10 February 1995, gender male. Click next. After that, username, for example, Alex Sander 1995. And let's for add, for example, the letter M, and then click next. It's taken. Let's put another N. Next, it's taken. Another N. Next. Okay, let's change something. Alexander. Big rat. And then let's for example put the password Alexander. Again, Alexander. Next. Skip. And then click next. And then click I agree. Just wait a little bit, guys. And that's it. That's our Gmail without a phone number. Okay, thank you guys and goodbye for more videos. Bye bye.